Agusan del Sur, Philippines, Ismael FAJARDO.
The fighting pride of Kalkan, Amas ng Cebu, John Paul GABUNILAS!
Eto na.
Tayo na tayo dito.
Hindi, ngayon nga eh. Kasi hindi ko makita eh.
Both fighters wearing one Depriman,
Uy.
black one. Expect an action pack, that's for sure. Or missing, that's mga wild punches.
Kasi,
Oh, good left hook to the body there by GABUNILAS.
pag ganito yung...
Oh, good left hook yun. Yeah, so far good as advertised.
Uy, but I like the idea again of Freeman attacking it with and throwing it.
Just to really entertain. He's here to win.
Indonesia. So, shout out sa Indonesia.
GABUNILAS needs to be careful on that right hook.
Meron sa hotel na ginagawa ni Wandy Freeman. He's taas ng Cebu. Papasok ulit dyan. Nakita.
He's not. Yeah. Sabi niya, patay na kung patay.
Yeah.
Pasok eh.
Alam niya eh, no? Pasok pa, no? Nakatama yung isang naripas na yun. May pahabol ka pa. Course and everything. Again, good right hand. Siya higupit niya na. He just hits him right there.
There, punch there. Pasok yun. Left straight there. For GABUNILAS going out to the body. Punto for punto. Always going forward.
Matibay, matapang.
Matibay to.
Ano hanggang kailan yun?
Sayang. King counter puncher.
I like the way GABUNILAS is using the
Once and twice in his career.
tapang ng attacking here.
Good left uppercut there by John Paul.
Oh, it's John Paul GABUNILAS gaining the momentum. Yan yung inaayawan at ginugustuhan ng mga tao. Ayan,
what a good
that combination. Hindi ko sa mga nakikinig ngayon.
Last 10 seconds. More
Iba na.
That as motivation.
Yes, and they expect some highlights. Pero tata mo yung over.
Kasi niya ginagamit. You can see his stance. Under a minute here.
GABUNILAS. It's working for him. The jab. Ayan o, nasa kamay lang o. Nilalaro lang niya yung jab eh. Uy, yung Ruiz.
Really, this guy. The head movement. Ang galing.
Reflexes are so fun to watch. And here comes the one. Power. At this moment. Oh my God. And bubblehead. Wandy Freeman is about to get done.
Firewood, as I mentioned, is just jabbed out the Ganzo straight out of the gate.
He's running to the belly.
Good shot there. Put him with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him. Just gone into some shot, definitely. It's the final minute of round one. So they both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here for the Filipino fighter.
Good shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from FAJARDO, and that has did it again. And Ganzo was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as be very surprising if he doesn't get the big left hand.
Stay low for Hardo and then come in with that left hook.
Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto it. Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed. And then he was put down. FAJARDO just looking for that left hook every single time he can. Remaining in round two.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee, who missed a couple of touchdowns in that round, but he's jumped in when he needed to. I don't think
rounds battle for it's very pero itong dalawang dahil nga ito ay 8 rounds of
baba. Yun, yung suntok niya. Yun, timing lang.
1 minute left. Niyang mag-impact na maraming hangin papunta sa ating 8th round.
Yes.
Kuha doon.
Yung pipinsa niya rin.
That's a nice
Yun,
left.
tinamaan doon.
left.
Right, experience niya.
Yun, he played for Cebu City.
Yes, may mga combination
Yun.
siya. Kumukuha ng timing rito.
Ilang nga lang, coach. Yun, another. 1 and 2.
Yun.
1, 2.
Pumasok yung isang right jab ni... pumasok yung left!
Another one.
Another one left by John Paul Gabunilas.
Almacen.
Iwas lang. Yun, tama isa, dalawa.
Another
Tatlo,
one.
4 na tama. Tinamaan si John Paul.
Si Gabunilas sa kanyang left. Yun, another hook.
Another, tama. Left hook, tinamaan sa katawan. Dalawa yun. Yun.
Down dito, itong
Talagang masakit. Yes!
it ends.
It ends a knockout by John Paul Almacen.
Grabe.
Grabe yung tira sa katawan. Solid.
อุ้ยต้องบอกว่าคนภาคยังไม่ทันดูเลยนะครับกำลังจะดูสถิติโดนเต็มๆนะครับกลายเป็นแชมเปี้ยนนะครับตอนนี้ครับแพทย์จิรศักดิ์ผาชาติเข้าไปดูแลอย่างใกล้ชิด
PBF Youth Light Flyweight, and of course, of your Big Yellow.
Kaya power nakikita, he needs to make his... Hiningal pa ako.
Tingnan natin if Gabuni.
A little a while ago about...
Oh,
Kaya pogi pa rin. And let's see now, although the body shot is raining,
oh, good.
oh!
Azarcon, tingnan natin.
Oh!
Oh, what a win!
What a What a body punch!
이번만 비자가죠.
Muna, retok muna. Retok mo, retok mo. Retok mo. Diretso sa ulo, diretso sa ulo. Diretso sa ulo. Ulitin mo na. Ulo, ulo, ulo.